So, noong January 20, nag-meet na kami with Ninang Gina. Tapos naalala ko noon, nandun si Direk Andrew, nandun si Mark, si Des, si Zeus, yan. So, yun yung naging parang pinaka-core. So, nagsimula kami, sabi ni Ninang, she's really happy na nagpapatuloy yung ministry ng LTP kahit overseas siya. Kasi yun naman talaga yung panalangin niya noon, na magpatuloy ang ministry kahit na wala siya physically. At isa pang sinabi niya, alam mo, sobrang masaya ako kasi pangarap niya rin talaga, makasama talaga ang More Lighthouse Works kasi hindi lang tatalon. From January 20 to June, naging schedule na namin after Sunday, PM na coming together, magzo-Zoom meeting kami ni Ninang Gina. So, kasama yon, no, yung core group na yon ng composers. So, doon kami winworkshop ni Ninang Gina. Nag-interview din kami kay Pastor at inisa-isa niya yung naging buhay yon. So, kung paano nagsimula ang Lighthouse. Gusto niya maging clear kung ano ba yung magiging premise. Hindi pa punot dulo nun eh. Wala pang title. So, sabi niya, ano bang gusto niyong premise? Or ano ba yung pinaka-core ng story na gusto nating ipakita? Nalala ko, sinabi ni Pastor, the grace of God is in everything that we needed to rise above any challenge and in ways that are pleasing to Him and will bring Him glory. Not only in material things, natural and acquired abilities, but in the virtues. Sabi ni Ninang, oh yun, yan yung magiging sentro ng kwento natin. Kailangan lahat ng parang arc ng story natin, dapat yan ang ma-highlight, babalik at babalik dyan. Inuna namin yung mga kanta, ilang eksena, ilang act. Yan, tas hanggang sa after nung mga songs, sinunod namin yung kwento. Yung mismong script na kung paano siya, yung characters. Even the characters, we had to agree na, okay, so this is a real life story. So, paano natin siya effectively na mapoportray? Sobrang training talaga siya. Kung paano bumuo from scratch, kung paano namin bubuuin yung storya. Tapos nag-agree kami na, oh maganda, hindi lang maging inspired sa, kunyari si Ricardo, hindi lang siya inspired by one member, kundi collective na buhay ng mga members. Nakita natin yung pagkilos ng Panginoon. Pero, ang pinakamagandang na-highlight, hindi yung individual na members, kundi yung talagang pagkilos nga ng Panginoon, ng grace niya, through every story na in real life man or fictional. Medyo halos complete na yung script. I can say siguro mga nasa 60% yan. Tsaka kami, bumalik si Ninang Gina, umuwi siya dito ng I think June, last week of June, I think, 2025. Tapos naggawa kami ng casting call noong July 4 sa 2025 sa Cainta. So, nagulat kami na ang daming sumama willingly from Taguig, from Cainta, from Pasig, and of course from Tatalon. Both na new members and old LTP members. So, syempre, laging tanong dyan, oh, meron ba tayong ibabagsak sa audition? Pero Ninang Gina has always been consistent na hindi, basta nandyan ang puso kasi pagpunta pa lang sa casting call is already kumbaga parang intentional na pagpapakita ng willingness mo to be part of the ministry. Lagi niyang tinatanong bawat isang nag-audition, bakit mo gusto maging parte ng production na ito? So, nalala ko, may isang nagsabi na, panalangin ko po kasi na sa Allgo, during the day of Allgo, hindi lang ako nakaupo, kumikilos ako kasama ng kapatiran. And that really stuck with me kasi yun din yung isang pinag-agrihan namin that this ministry, we really prayed and hoped na it will provoke others to love and good works. July yon, tapos nag-start yung rehearsals namin ng August, nagtapos ng March, so 7 months. Definitely, there were a lot of challenges. Pero parang lagi akong bumabalik dun sa premise, una, God's grace. And also, na we have to do this dahil ito yung platform na meron tayo to provoke many others to serve the Lord together and to love and good works. Una sa lahat, yung, syempre, challenge, I think, sa cast to train people. Lagi sinasabi ni Ninang, dapat hindi yan parang script. Kailangan professional, kailangan talagang yung mensahe will really come across all audience. And also, since meron tayong mga cast members na nag-aaral, nagtatrabaho, may iba-ibang mga sitwasyon sa buhay. Nandiyan din yung commitment. Siyempre, rehearsal ng 7 buwan, hindi yun biro. May mga holidays talaga na sinabi namin we have to sacrifice. may mga exam weeks, ganyan na talagang yung sa schedule talagang madirail. Sa production naman, so syempre since yung World Trade Center ay hindi meant for theater, so we also had to consider paano ba yung sounds nito, napakalaki niya, paano ba yung props, paano ba yung audio, yung lights, ganyan. And of course, paano yung magiging stage design. Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng projections. At naalala ko, sobrang miniting-mini ng Gina yung parang naging core ng prod. So, of course, with Direk, Andrew, and lahat ng mga naging parte doon. At talagang nag-challenge siya, no, na ito yung magiging elements ng production na ito that will even make the message clearer and more effective. At nakita naman natin, no, even yung projections, it's something new sa hindi namin siya nagawa natin before sa mga previous productions. But for me, I think it made the story even more beautiful. Tapos makikita nila si tatay na yung video niya, parang as if na-relive talaga yung yung memories niya. So yun, kaya nakakatuwa that yung challenge, yung location ng World Trade Center ay mas naging na-enrich palalo yung beauty ng performance. Last na challenge siguro is of course the passing to glory of Ninang Gina. So definitely, it was a great loss. Great loss kasi syempre, namimiss natin siya. Heartbreaking even, of course, especially for those who Ninang Gina shared her heart, her life, especially to those people na talagang naka-work niya. Ako, as I look back, itong buong whole preparation and itong buong 2 taon, sobrang nagpapasalamat din ako sa Panginoon that we had that opportunity to really work with her, na kung paano niya very generously, ang words niya ay, lahat ng alam ko, lahat ng meron ako, ibibigay ko sa inyo, ibubuhos ko sa inyo. Kasi ganun niya pinapahalagahan yung Lighthouse Theater as a ministry. She really wanted to make sure na lahat ng eksena and lines ng ating production ay magiging edifying. Kaya nag-agree kami na napakagandang isama yung who we are and how we do in the ministry. Yung virtues, who we are, who we become, yung virtues as we work together ay napakahalaga na hindi natin dapat malilimutan. Natapos na yung script na, I'm so excited! Ang ganda nito! So, sobrang excited daw siya na makita yung magiging buong performance na a week before all go. We would always now remember yung directions niya, and even yung corrections niya. Sobrang sinasabi niya sa amin na kailangan excellent ka sa ministry na ito. Hindi dahil sa palakpak ng tao, hindi dahil yun yung dun nakatuon yung puso natin. We serve an excellent God. That's why ako personally, and all of us, I believe, we really praise and thank the Lord for His grace in Ninang Gina, how she really dedicated her life sa ministry, and especially sa Lighthouse Theater Philippines. Kaya kami din bilang ngayon na susunod na henerasyon na nagpapatuloy. Isa sa mga talagang panalangin namin, and even for me as one of the leaders, ay hindi huminto at hindi manlupaypay sa ministry na ito. Of course, nakita natin yung puso ni Ninang Gina, and we will carry that with us, no? How beautiful the Lord has worked through her life, and how effective talaga yung ministry ng Lighthouse Theater Philippines sa hindi lang pagpapakita ng biyaya ng Panginoon. We hear His grace na nakikita natin, nalalasahan natin, and nadarama natin because of the whole production. And I think yun yung napakaganda sa ministry na ito. Hindi lang yung performance, kundi kung paano nagtutulong-tulong lahat na walang isang parte na talagang naha-highlight. At yun yung lagi-lagi ring tinuro ni Pastor and ni Ninang Gina sa Lighthouse Theater na ito ay pagtutulungan. Kaya naman, ang biyaya ng Panginoon ay dumadaloy din sa bawat isa. Kami ay excited din na patuloy na ipadaloy ang biyaya ng Panginoon. Siyempre ngayon, sa Lighthouse Manifold Grace Center na. So that we will continue to see God's grace and allow God's grace to mightily work through Lighthouse Theater Philippines.